The last train of the day stood quietly at the platform. No crowds. No noise. Just a soft wind and the low humming sound of the engine waiting. Daniel stepped inside. The doors closed gently. Only 3 people were in the whole train. An old lady near the window, a man sleeping with his hat down, and Daniel. He chose a seat by himself, next to the glass. Outside, the city lights slowly moved past. Yellow, white, blurred, like stars floating on the ground. Daniel liked night trains. They felt different, slower, calmer, like the world finally stopped running. All day long, he worked at a warehouse, lifting boxes, carrying packages, standing for hours, talking very little. By the end of the day, his body was tired, but his heart was more tired than his body. Sometimes, he felt invisible, like people walked past him without ever really seeing him. "Excuse me. Move please. Thanks." Small words. Empty words. No one really looked into his eyes. No one really stayed. The train began moving faster. Click, clack, click, clack. The soft rhythm of the tracks filled the air. It sounded almost like breathing. Slow, steady, peaceful. Daniel rested his head against the window. The glass was cool, comforting. Outside, tiny houses passed by. Some windows were dark, some still glowing warm yellow. He wondered what those people were doing. Maybe someone was reading. Maybe someone was laughing. Maybe someone was already asleep, wrapped in blankets. Safe? He smiled softly. He liked imagining happy lives for strangers. It made the world feel kinder, less lonely. At the next stop, a small brown dog suddenly jumped inside the train. The doors closed before it could run back out. The dog looked confused, then scared, then quiet. It slowly walked down the aisle, looking for somewhere to sit. No one moved. No one called it. So the dog came and sat near Daniel's feet. Daniel looked down. The dog looked up. Big eyes, tired eyes, gentle eyes, like it had walked a long way. "Hey buddy," Daniel whispered. The dog wagged its tail once, very slowly. Daniel placed his hand on its head. Warm fur, soft, alive. Something inside his chest felt lighter, just a little. The train kept moving. Click, clack, click, clack. The sound mixed with the soft breathing of the dog. The warm lights, the quiet night. Everything felt slow, safe, like nothing bad could happen here. Daniel closed his eyes for a moment. Not sleeping, just resting, feeling the small warmth near his feet, feeling less alone. For the first time in a long time, he didn't think about tomorrow, didn't think about work, didn't think about worries, just the sound of the train, the cool air, the gentle night. When his stop arrived, the dog followed him out, step by step, like they had already decided to walk home together. Daniel smiled. "Looks like we both found our stop tonight." They walked under the streetlights. Slow, quiet, side by side. 2 lonely travelers. Not so lonely anymore. When Daniel reached his apartment, he opened the door. The dog walked in like it belonged there, curled up near the couch, and fell asleep instantly. Daniel turned off the lights, lay down, pulled the blanket over himself. The room felt warmer, softer, full, not empty anymore. Outside, the wind whispered gently. Inside, soft breathing filled the room. In, out, in, out, slow, calm, peaceful. Daniel closed his eyes, and for the first time in months, sleep came easily, deep, warm, quiet, like a hug from the night itself. Good night. Rest now. Everything is okay.